Who is here today? Hello, Fab. Hello, Dad. It's okay. Yeah, I know. I know. No, no. Hey, Fab. Hey, Fab. Come. Fab. It's for Fab. No, Debbie. Shame on you. Come on. You have eaten yours, haven't you? You have eaten your baby. 4 chicken wings. 4 chicken wings you have eaten. How many more you want? I don't want you to get obese. Fab was not here, so it is her dinner time now. You were here 5 p.m. sitting in the garden waiting for the food. Is that correct? Yes, you did. Don't be sad. I will give you some. Okay? I will give you some. But let Fab have her full dinner. You're such a good boy. Yes, you are. Don't be upset. You want chicken? Hmm? Are you still hungry? You shouldn't be hungry. Hmm. You're such a good boy. You see, she is eating in peace, slowly, taking time and enjoying. You eat like a Hoover. You just cut and in. You bite it and swallow the food. That's all. Why you eat so fast? I know you have a very strong mouth. The jaw is so strong, very sharp teeth. But that doesn't mean you do not enjoy the food. You simply swallow. Don't you? Yes, you do. I know. Hello, Fab. Where are you? Fab? You are Dab, not Fab. Hello, Fab. You see, she's still eating. You are such a good boy. I know. I think she has finished. Come on. Fab. Come. No, you. He's Fab. Eat slowly.